Welcome back, traders. In this video, I'll be showing you two important setup with high risk reward ratio that occur on gold this previous week. And then the purpose of doing this particular video right now is for you to understand my trading strategy on how to increase your risk to reward ratio. And also, if you see setup like this next time, you know how to approach the market and how to get all this snapper entry easily by knowing exactly the price is going to. So let's just go into the video right now. These are 1 hour time frame, so let's just go to like daily time frame. Let me delete all these shots. Sorry, let me delete all this setup. So on daily time frame, I did an analysis here. Even though price end up going against us, showing that right now we have what a break of structure. The price is going what's on a bearish direction. During my last video, I did analysis that price probably going to respect this particular order block, but price did not do that. Right now we have what a break of structure, and it's a real break of structure that price is going what on a bearish direction. During my previous video, I started my analysis from weekly time frame. On weekly time frame, I said price going to go below this particular low here. The price probably going to respect this particular order block. But I said nevertheless, you should focus on what daily time frame. So that is why we are able to see this particular setup here, but price did not respect the order block here. I did the video about it. Right now we have what a break of structure. Price end up breaking this low here, this low, and also this particular low, and then price probably going to respect this particular order block and start going what on a bearish direction to take out this particular low out. But this is not my major concern right now. My major concern right now is like the two setup that I'll call this previous week, and then how to approach it if you see any setup like that next time. So this daily time frame, we didn't have any information. We are just expecting price to get to this particular order block. But before price gets to this particular order block, I'm expecting price to take out this particular liquidity here. That's how I was able to enter into this bearish movement. So let me just delete this line. So when you go down to like 4 time frame, another price goes on the bearish direction to take out this particular liquidity. Then on 4 time frame, price end up breaking 2 lows there. Can you see price broke this particular low here, and also this low. Based on what I'll be training people on in this channel, it's like for you to identify a real order block, price out to break probably too low, and then if price not break too low, if price end up breaking only one low, you are going to make use of the order block above it or below it. But right now on 4 hour time frame, you see that price end up breaking this low and also this particular low, making this particular level in what a real order block. So this is a real order block here. If you like to enter into the trade using this particular order block, let's check the ratio. If you do all your entry here and then set towards your stop loss there, and also set towards your take profits using this particular previous low. So you can see this 1 ratio 1.9. It's not even up to like a 1 ratio 2. So we're going to go down to lower time frame to find a perfect order block that price probably going to respect before coming all the way down. And just like you know exactly that price is going to get to before coming all the way down. So let me delete this. This is our order block right now, and then we have 4 hour time frame. So the next time frame for us to go to is 2 hour time frame. So on 2 hour time frame right now, we're able to find out a real order block. So this order block what is a real order block. The reason because price broke this particular low is the same moment, and then price ended up breaking this low, and also it ended up breaking multiples low. We have another opposite candle here, and then we have another opposite candle here. So the reason why all these candles are ending up with an opposite candle, so I classify them as low. So price ended up breaking all these low, making this particular order block what a real order block. So right now we get to go down to the next time frame. But if you have like to check our risk reward using what is it called, 2 hour time frame, using 2 hour time frame, let's check it out. So if you use 2 hour time frame order block, you're going to make these 1 ratio 4 is not up to like 1 ratio 5. So you can still go down to lower time frame to find a perfect order block to use. So let me delete this. So the next time frame for us to go down to is 1 hour time frame. So inside 1 hour time frame, we can see we have what opposite candle here. I see. Let me delete all this line. So you have to reanalyze the market again, but our order block have to be inside this particular order block. So no matter what you're doing, you have to like to find what's your order block inside this particular order block. Okay. So let me delete this. So you have to analyze the market again based on this time frame. So right here, you can see that price end up breaking this low. Price broke this low, And also before forming this opposite candle here, this is a bullish doji candle, and then price end up breaking this low. So price end up breaking two lows, price end up breaking two low, making this particular order block here. Can you see the order block? It's what a real order block. So you notice that I didn't count this one as a low because this is its own range. I noticed that this is where a lot of people are doing the mistake. They can't see its own range, part of the low that price broke. No, we don't add their range to it, so you have to to find from the far left side where exactly that price broke. So if you do not see anyone, so you are not permitted to use its own range. I know that a lot of people are using it, and then that's where they are making the mistake from. So right now we are able to get our order block on a 1 hour time frame. So let me delete this. And also the next time frame for us to go down to is 30 minutes. So let's share 30 minutes time frame. So using 30 minutes time frame right now, so you have to analyze the market again. So how many lows did the price break? So price ended up breaking this low here, and also at this particular low. Okay, I think it ended up breaking 3. Okay, no, price ended up breaking like 2 low. So making this particular order block here. Where's the order block? Can you see it? So you have to add this onto it, because this is the full order block here. So let's check 15 minutes time frame. We're able to find a real order block on 30 minutes time frame. So let's just go down to 15 minutes time frame again. So on 15 minutes time frame, we also to analyze the market. So you see the same movement that ended up breaking this low and also this particular low. There's no opposite candle in between, so you have to draw out this particular order block very well. So we have 15 minutes order block here. So let's check this 15 minutes. Let's go down to 5 minutes. So on 5 minutes time frame, we have to analyze the market again. Okay, so this 5 minutes time frame, we're going to delete this. So you have to study the market again. And then right now you can now make use of what the range. The reason why you're going to make use of the range is this is what a bullish range, and then from this particular place, from this particular high downward is what a bearish range. I mean, from this high, this is where the bullish range stop. So we have from this low to this high is what a bullish range, and then from this high downward is what a bearish range. So you can add the range to it because you're already on lower time frame. If we check the markets, this particular moment, it ended up breaking this low and also this particular low here. So can you see? Price ended up breaking down this low and also this particular low here. So making this particular order block what a real order block here. Can you see the order block? Just like a doji candle. So I was able to find out this particular 5 minutes order block. So if you have to set what our entry using this 5 minutes order block and then setting our take profits, we are going to set our take profit using what 4 hour time frame. You see that price come all the way to tap into it, giving a snapper entry, and then immediately price come all the way down to get to this particular low. So you're going to set what your take profit here. So let me just set it. We set our entry here. Actually, this trade now give a 1 ratio 13. Let me check it out. Set your stop loss there, and also set what your take profits. Set it below this particular low here. I mean this particular low you're seeing here. So that is where your take profit is gonna be. So let's check out the ratio. Can you see 1 ratio 10.9, almost like 1 ratio 13. But actually, when I did the first analysis, it's also 1 ratio 13. So right now, let me just give you out the second one. This is the first setup. So this take profit, we said the take profit using was 4 hour time frame. So on 4 hour time frame right now, you can see that price end up coming all the way down, and then to get our take profit, we share this particular place. Price end up breaking this low. And so you have the low here. This is the first low, and then price end up breaking the second one. You have the second one here, and then price end up breaking the third one. Can you see the third one here? Making this particular order block. Let me delete this. Making this particular order block here a real order block. Can you see it? So if you also to make use of this particular order block to set what's your entry, you're going to make, let me check the ratio. You're going to make war, you're going to set what's your take profits using this particular low, the previous low. Let me delete this. So you're going to make a war ratio 4. So I can't enter into this trade because I have to increase my risk to reward ratio. So by going down to lower time frame, we are going to increase our risk to reward ratio. So let's just go through that right now. So let me delete this. Okay, let's leave this 4 hour time frame order block. So let's just go down to like 2 hour time frame. And the mistake I see a lot of traders, even though they are trading my strategy, they are doing just like they are going down to lower time frame anyhow. No, we don't go down to lower time frame anyhow. We follow the rule, you understand, in descending order. We go down to lower time frame following the rule of descending order. So you can't go down to a lower time frame from 4 hour time frame and then just jump to 15 minutes time frame. No, you won't get it. You miss the reorder block. So you have to go down to lower time frame in a descending order. So right now you're on 2 hour time frame. You have to reanalyze the market again. So let me delete this. If you check this particular moment, this particular high, from this high to this particular low, it ended up breaking this particular low here and also this one, making this particular order block what also a reorder block. So on 2 hour time frame right now, you're able to like to see 4 hour time frame order block is also what a reorder block. So you're going to leave the order block like that, and then you are going to go down to the next lower time frame, which is a 1 hour time frame. So on 1 hour time frame right now, we have to reanalyze the market. So let me delete this. And also let me delete this. And don't forget, your order block have to be inside this 4 hour time frame order block. Your order block cannot be below, your order block cannot be above. So every single thing you have to do, it has to be inside this particular order block. So we have to analyze the market again. If you check the market price ended up breaking only this low. Price ended up breaking only this low. Can you see? Price now break the next low. So if you are to share this particular order block is not what a real order block or 1 hour time frame. But that doesn't define it that this order block what is not a real order block, because on 2 hour time frame you are able to find out this particular order block as what a real order block. So 1 hour time frame right now, 1 hour time frame is telling us that the order block is not what a real order block, but that doesn't define it. You understand? Because higher time frame is stronger than the lower time frame. That means 2 hour time frame is stronger than 1 hour time frame. So you are going to leave the market like this. You're not going to to make any changes to it. So we are 1 hour time frame. We are going to go down to the next time frame, which is 30 minutes. Sorry. So on 30 minutes time frame, we also like to analyze the market again. And also if you check, let me delete this. And also if you check all this side, we have what a bullish range and also a bearish range. From this low to this high, it's what a bullish range, and then from this high downward is what a bearish range. So all our breakouts like to be in this particular side there. So let me delete this. And also right here, you can see price almost like in between this particular block here. So price is going to probably tap it out. And then, so our other block is going to be above it. So if you have to analyze the market, price end up breaking nothing. This is the last low here. Okay, we have found this low and also this particular low. Okay, this one. So this is the other block that end up breaking it. So this other block is not valid just because our other block on 2 hour time frame is in between it. It was like this before I reduce it. So you're not going to to draw down, you are not going to to reduce other block or to bring it down like this. No, you can only keep it higher. Do you understand that? So you can't bring it lower, you can only keep it higher. So you're going to keep it like this, or just leave it like this and then go down to another lower time frame. So let me delete this. So if you go down to 15 minutes time frame, if you check 15 minutes time frame, this is where the last high is. So from this high downward, it was a bearish range. So right now it's not possible for market to break what a bullish range. So you're going to make use of what is own personal range. And then if you check out the market, the reason just because this particular low, all this low you are seeing here, I mean all this low, and also all this low you are seeing here, is this high that broke it, this particular order block. So this order block is not inside what our real order block anymore. So you're not going to consider all these movements. So you're going to make use of what its own personal range. So you study the market very well. If you check this particular bearish movement here, it's end up breaking this low, with its own range. So you're going to make use of it. Price broke this one, and also price ended up breaking this one there. And then this is the real order block. Can you see it? This is the high. So this 15 minutes time frame, we're able to find out this particular reorder block. So we can go down to like a 5 minutes time frame. 5 minutes time frame. So on 5 minutes time frame right now, we are going to find out the reorder block also. So on 5 minutes time frame, let me delete this. You have to reanalyze the market again. So from this high to this particular low, this particular high with after this bullish candle to this particular last low here, it ended up breaking all these lows there. All these lows you are seeing here. It ended up breaking it. Let me just draw it out properly. It broke this particular low here. This on. And also this on. It's not responsible for this particular break here and also this particular break. So I'm just drawing out only 3. So making this particular order block here what a reorder block. This particular order block is what a reorder block. So we are on 5 minutes time frame. You can still go down to like 3 minutes time frame probably. So if you check out 3 minutes time frame, you can make use of what 3 minutes order block. So you have to analyze the market again. Even though on 3 minutes time frame, it's still the same movement that ended up breaking all these lows, even though it's more than 5 minutes low. So on 3 minutes time frame, price broke this low also, break this low, break this low, break this low, break this low. So where's the order block? This is the reorder block here. So I'm going to reduce what's your order block to this particular length. So you can make use of what 3 minutes order block. Let's check 1 minute. So if you make use of what 1 minute order block, let's check. So 1 minute order block is the same thing as 3 minutes order block. So let's just set this very well. So this is the low, and then this is the high. So we have set it. So if you have to set what our entry, we're going to make use of this particular place. But let's check the market if price eventually tap into this particular order block here. Can you see that price tap into it, and then it remains more for price to break it. But price is very precise. So can you see that price not go above it? It remains little peep for price to go above it. That is the reason why we add spread to both our entry and also stop loss. So if you have to set your entry, you have to set your entry like this, and then set what's your stop loss below it here, above it here. So this is the particular moment here. Can you see price not go above it? But actually, when I said this particular entry, this figure you are seeing 98, it was a 150. 150, yes, it was 150 here, and then below it come down a little bit just because of spread, even though gold is not really having much spread like that. So this trade ended up getting like 1:24. If you have to set take profit here, even though many people say that gold did a lot of manipulation, I have to inform them yesterday that I was expecting that particular manipulation. So can you see 1:23, but it's ended up get like 1:24. And then if you end up using the order block without adding spread, so let's check how many ratio. Then set what our stop loss in. So this is 1:35, but just because of the spread I had, it's giving like 1:24. So if you find this video interesting, like this video right now, and then if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. And also for you to get more insights about all these things, you can join my mentorship program. My mentorship program is on. I'm going to train you on every single thing you need to know about how to increase your risk to reward ratio and how to be getting all this perfect entry and then all this snapper entry. All this snapper entry, you're going to know how to be getting them. So I'm going to be dropping my mentorship link in my description. So make sure you check it out and then join the mentorship for you to get more enlightenment about this. So it's going to be easy for you to be making all this ratio. Just imagine you risking 1% of your account and then making 4% easily. So that's just for that. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.